Did you know that you can use Canva and Claude AI to make money? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use these two tools to make money even as a complete beginner. So as I told you in this video, we are going to use Claude AI and Canva. Yes, first of all, before you start using them, you are supposed to sign up to Canva. Yes, and you can sign up on Canva for a free account, and you only need your email address and a password. The same thing goes here for Claude AI. You have to sign up with this AI too. You only need a email and a password. All these AIs, you can still use them on a free version. You can still use Canva on a free version, and you can still use Claude AI on a free version. But if you later you would want to upgrade, you can also go ahead and upgrade. But what I'm going to show you can still use it on a free version. So we are going to hop into Claude AI first. I already have an account, so I don't need to go through the sign up process again. I was talking to a person who is new, who doesn't have an account yet. You can go there and sign up. Yes, and your account will be looking like this when you finish the sign up process. Yes, and this AI is good. You can use it for writing and so many other stuffs, but in this video we are mainly going to create Instagram posts using these two, using Claude AI and Canva. And I suppose by now you have also opened up your Canva account. If you have not, you can pause the video here and you can go ahead and sign up into your Canva account. Yes, so we are going to go back to Claude AI, and how this is going to work, we are going to connect these two together. You are going to connect Canva to this Claude AI, and Claude AI can connect to so many things these days. So what we are going to do, we are going to come here. This is like your menu. Yes, so this is your menu. When you come here in your menu, you have your chart where you can go search. Here you can create a new chart. Here there are your old charts that you have already done. Here are the projects you are working on, but we are going to click here on customize. Yes, and when we click on customize, this is how the interface is going to look like. And here you can create a new skill, yes, for your processes, for your teamwork or anything. Or you can connect to your apps. If you have an app you're already using and you want to connect it here so that your workflow can go simple, so this is where Canva comes in. We are going to connect Canva to Claude AI so that we can create what we want. So what we are going to do, we are going to click here where it says connectors. Yes, this is how we are going to connect it. So I'll click on this, and here they are going to give me an interface of different things that I can connect here. There are so many things that you can connect. Yes, so what you do first, you come here and search for what you want to connect. But me, I have already connected my Canva. But if I didn't have Canva connected, I would come here in the search bar and type in the word Canva. So when you type in the word Canva, the word Canva will show up and you can connect it. Or if you finish the process of connecting what you want, you can later come here and disconnect it if you want. But there are also even other so many tools that you can connect to this Cloud app. Yes, so many. You can connect your Google Drive, you can connect your Notion if you want to create Notion templates, so many things. But in this example, we are only going to stick it with Canva so that we don't get confused. And this is simple. You can do it as a beginner. If you connect your accounts, if you open up Claude AI, you just come here, search, and Canva will be here. Then you click on connect. Yes, for example, maybe you wanted to connect Google Drive, you just come here, search Google Drive, and they will show you. Maybe if you say you wanted to connect Notion template, you just come here and type in what you want to connect. Then it will come here in the search bar and you will click connect, or you will click here browse connectors, so that when you browse connectors you will see what other things that can be connected if you want to connect more other stuffs. Yes, there are so many things that can be connected and that can be plugged in. You excuse me for my voice. I have some flu. So now, since that our Canva is connected, as you see here, now we are going to go ahead and design. Yes, this is an AI, it's a robot, so it knows that Canva is there. So now our next step is going to come here and start a new chat. You can click here to start a new chat, or the interface is always like this. So what I'm going to come here, I'm going to come here and put in my prompt. Always remember, AI is not a human being. If you don't explain your prompt well, it will not create what you want. So you have to put in the right prompt to get the right results. So what we are going to do now, we are going to come here. I'll put Canva so that I help this AI to know what I want this post for, because the good thing about this, that when these posts are created, you can go to Canva and edit them. You just tell this AI, send my work to Canva, it will go ahead and send it for you. So your only will be to go to Canva and edit and remove anything that you don't want. So I'll put the word Canva first, then I'll tell it create for me, maybe I will say 3 posts. Yes, I'll write 3 Instagram posts. Excuse me. 3 Instagram posts. I have grammar. Sometimes when I'm typing, I'm fast, so I don't check my spellings. So I'll change this properly so that the AI will understand. You can also download Grammar for free. It can help you to correct your spelling mistakes. So you can choose a niche. I don't know which niche you are in. Maybe it's into self-care or digital marketing, anything, as long as you direct the AI the right way. For this example, I'll use maybe something in beauty. So I'll ask it to create for me skincare Instagram posts, or you can choose, maybe if you are into affiliate marketing, you are saying something for pet dogs or something, anything like that. So I'll let me say create 3 Instagram posts about let me say losing weight using, I'll say using smoothie, or you can say using keto diet. It depends on the niche or what you are trying to promote on Instagram. Losing weight, mainly I'll target mainly belly fat. If I want to target mainly people who have belly fat, and I'll go ahead to include women, because I want to be more specific as I can, so that AI will give me the right results, and I am niching down so that I can meet my target audience. Yes, this is an example. You losing weight using mainly I'll put in smoothie, and it's for women. Excuse me. So I'll go ahead and click for this AI to go ahead and do its magic. Yes, it will go ahead and start thinking, and it will go ahead to create. So since you see that my Canva is already connected, so as you can see, it knows that my Canva is already there. So that's why it's putting this blue logo here. If you don't know, this is Canva's logo. Yes, and it is showing me that Canva is already here. So it's now planning my story, generating designs and adding texts. So as you can see, it can take up to 1 minute, or sometimes it depends on your PC, your Wi-Fi, so many other factors. But sometimes if you are on a paid version, it would go more faster because you are on a paid version. But since I'm doing this on a free version, it will not go as faster as I am on a paid version. So I just wanted to show you that you can still do this even if you are on a free version. And we are going to wait small. So as you can see, these are our final designs, and I really like it. And remember, we asked it for free, but it has gone ahead to give us multiple. Let us count them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It has gone ahead to give us 5 posts, and it has also gone ahead to generate others. So it is generating these ones down, so we can also wait, and it's also going to take up to 1 minute. And to be honest, I really like these ones, and I'm going to use them in one of my products that I am promoting, which is about health, and it's about smooth. So this is also others that it has gone ahead to given us. So see all this content that you have here, and the good thing about this, you can just go in Canva and edit it. So what you can do, you can put in here the message you want, or you can just click here open in Canva. So I hope all of you have seen all these posts. So it is still making, but if you don't want to interrupt it, you can wait until everything is finished. But because I don't want the video to get longer, so we are going to click on it so that we can go to Canva. And another thing, if it creates anything that you don't like, you can come here and put in a prompt asking it to maybe regenerate anything new, maybe to do something good, or to change the picture of the women. So as you can see, this is also another set of pins it has created for us, and it's a challenge, and there are so many, even these ones, but I just want to show you how we can go to Canva to edit all of these ones. So I'm going to just click on one so that we can go to Canva. So I'll click on this one and I'll go here and click open in Canva. So when I click open in Canva, I'll open there on that link, and it's going to take me excuse me where I am, it's called here, and I'm having some flu. So now it has opened up here in Canva. So as you can see, this is Canva dashboard. This is my Canva. Now I'm inside in my Canva. From here in Cloud AI, now I have ended up in my Canva by just clicking one post. And what I can do, if I don't want the text prompt of this or the font, I'll just come click on it, then I'll click here to change it. If I want, maybe I'll say if I want this one, so you are going to see this is going to change, and look, this looks a little bit cute. Or if I want to go with this one, I can go with this still looks cute. If you want to make this bigger, you can just click here on the plus sign, and this one will become more bigger if you want. Maybe if you want to change the text color, you can change that. And if you want to change this woman to change maybe the way she's posing, you can just come here and click on edit. When you click on edit, Canva has so many features that you can use. You can choose to edit the page or to edit the image. So I'll choose page. So you are going to click here on edit, and here they are giving you different options that you can use to edit. Yes, and you can choose to change the colors, you can choose to change it according to your style. So it will depend on you on how you want, but with me this is okay. Even these ones that were created in Cloud AI, they are still okay. I would still use them the way they are because they look good. Maybe I could have gone in Canva and changed this text or this NA to add some pictures, but these are still okay. So you can go ahead and use these ones into your business if you are promoting something on Instagram or anything other. You can go ahead and do that. I hope this video has been of help to you, and if you are there and you want to start selling digital products online and you don't know how, I have created a free guide that you can use. Yes, and it's really going to help you to start your digital product journey if you don't know how, or if you have never started, or if you've started and you are stuck, you haven't made any sales yet and you don't know, you are confused. Yes, this beginner roadmap can help you. It's free. You can just download it. It shows you the steps that you can take as a beginner, from creating your digital product to pricing it and everything. And if you want it, I'll leave it in the description below. See you in the next video.